So here I am attempting to demonstrate the work that I've been doing on my Fairy controller. This is an Adafruit Neotrellis M4. Right now this is on the animation display. It's not even close to finished at this point, but it's just hard-coded to display the current beat out of 32 beats. I'm going to go into the main menu now by pressing the top two buttons. So here on the main menu we've got the 8 lights showing you the current beat. These 4 buttons control tempo to speed up and speed down. And then we've got 3 interfaces that we can access. The menus are the palette manager, the color sequencer, and the animation sequencer. So the palette manager lets us choose from 4 palettes to use in the color sequencer, and any of the palettes can be changed by clicking on the color, which then brings up the color selector. You can see that the currently selected color is flashing, and from the range of colors we can select something else, and then we can see that color has been updated on the palette. Again, we can back out from the menu by hitting those top 2 buttons and go to the color sequencer. So this is showing that we're going to use palette 1 throughout the entire 32-beat sequence. We can switch between the 4 palettes indicated by red, green, blue, and yellow, allowing us to get finer control over what colors are used by the costume at various times. And then that will play into the animation sequencer. So what I've decided in this case is that I'm going to allow for 8 different animation programs, still TBD, but hope to be working on them in the coming week or 2. Each animation sequence will run for 8 beats, giving us 4 selections of 8 beats for a total of 32 beats. So unlike the color selector where it was iterating across for 32 beats, the animation sequencer is showing these are staying on for 8 beats at a time and then moving to the next column. So I can change the animations that I would like to see by hitting their corresponding buttons. They will light up and then blink at the appropriate time during when they're under control. The idea would be that setting up all of this allows me to adjust settings on the fly, and when I go back to this screen, this would be showing the results of the combination of an animation and the color sequencing. And what we would see on this display would be echoed to the wings of the fairy costume, which I still have yet to build. So that's a quick, up-to-date tour of the project so far. Hope you found that interesting, and yeah, check back for more updates. Thanks.